let's solve this together. It says x raised to the power 9 plus x raised to the power 6 is equal to 80. How do we solve for x? First things first, you have to agree with me that if you have a raised to the power m or raised to the power of n, it's equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. And since multiplication is commutative, it can also be equal to a raised to the power n or raised to the power m. Okay, so applying this law, we have to solve this question. Now, from here we have x raised to the power 3 or raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 or raised to the power 3 or raised to the power 2 is equal to 80. Okay, but this is what we have from here. Now moving on, we're going to have, let x raised to the power 3 be y. We have y cubed plus y squared is equal to 80. From here we have y cubed plus y squared to be equal to 8 is 64 plus 16. So we have y cubed minus 64 plus y squared minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, what we simply did is to subtract 64 and 16 from both sides. So we have from here y cubed minus 4 cubed plus y squared minus 4 squared is equal to 0. Now, let's take some laws. We have a cubed minus b cubed to be equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. A squared minus b squared to be equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Applying these laws here, we are going to have, applying these laws of difference of 2 squared and difference of 2 cubed, we have that this becomes equal to y minus 4 into y squared plus 4y plus squared, which is 16, plus y minus 4 multiplied by y plus 4. Let's factor out y minus 4. So we have y squared plus 4y plus 16 plus y plus 4. This becomes equal to y minus 4 into y squared plus 5y plus 20. Okay, now we have, when the product of two things are equal to 0, we have that it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. It's either that y is equal to 4 or y squared plus 5y plus 20 is equal to 0. From here, we can use Almag's formula. So we have minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared is 25. Minus 4ac is 4 times 20, which is 80. All over 2a, which is 2 times 1, which is 2, is equal to y. Y will be equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of, this minus this is negative 55. So we have minus 55 all over 2. From here we have that y will be equal to minus 5 plus or minus I root 55 all over 2, or y is equal to 4. Now this answer is a complex answer, and we want straight answers for this question. So I would actually ignore this, but it doesn't mean that you have to ignore it, but I'll actually ignore this for now and just solve for this. Now recall in the beginning that we said that x raised to the power 3 is equal to y. Don't forget the assumptions you made. So we have x raised to the power 3 is equal to y, and then y is 4, so x raised to the power 3 will become equal to 4. From here, take the third root of both sides. You have x is equal to 4 to the power 1 over 3. Now let's test if this answer is correct. Okay, so we have x to the power 9 plus x to the power 6 is equal to 80 given. Now if we say that x is equal to 4 raised to the power 1 over 3, we have 4 to the power 1 over 3 all raised to the power 9 plus 4 to the power 1 over 3 all raised to the power 6. Is it equal to 80? We are asking now. Now 3 and 9 strikes, so that we have 4 to the power 3 plus 4 to the power, this is 2. Is this equal to 80? 64 plus 16 is equal to 80. So it means that our answer is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. I hope this made sense. I hope you understood every bit of it. If you did, to do me a very great favor, if you like, if you commented, and if you subscribed. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.